Hello and welcome everyone. Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm here to tell you about my brand new course Mastering Burp Suite. So in this course what you are going to learn is very important. So let me show you first. So right now we are at Udemy, but I'm not going to launch this course on Udemy, right? Why I am uploading here? Because it's easy to manage everything and I get a basic structure. I will be uploading this course on my private server and through a private software that I have, and it is unhackable. So my content, my data will be fully secure. The first thing is we'll start from the introduction portion. So it contains about 17 minutes. Post that we will be seeing burp proxy and configuration. It's of 25 minutes and you can see the content, and if I want to play any content I simply need to click on it. After that we will be seeing running how to run basically burp, and then how what is temporary project on disk and other things. So when you will scroll down to tools section you will find different things here, and we will be covering the brand new dashboard and scanning, and this course is designed with burp 2020.7. So it is the most recent version of burp,
Hello
and you
and
can
welcome.
see the content.
In
So
this
let us
video,
see
we are going to talk
a few things in this, so you will get an idea of what is the quality of course and other things. So let me just quickly play it.
issue or some information.
Or if you will go forward
So
you
if you
can
want
see.
any
So this will be the course content, and it will look like this. Now when you will come it's tool 2, it's a decoder sequence here. So basically we are covering each of the uh, tabs that is present on burp. Not only that, apart from that, when we will go in advanced section you will see advanced scope settings. Then we will learn a lot about engagement tools. Post that I will explain how to properly use collaborator. Most of you know how to use collaborator, but I guarantee you don't know what are the proper ways of using it. Then I will tell you about burp click bandit. So basically click bandit is a tool which is pre-built inside burp, and it is used to find clickjacking vulnerability. After that I will tell you a high level description, and I will show high level use of Marcos. Then we'll talk about infiltrator, and later in this video, means after 15 days, it will take not less than 15 days, I will be adding how to write your own burp extension. So it will be the basic one for now, but yeah, one more thing I want to promise you all, that whenever we will get a newer version of burp, whenever burp Trigger is going to release a version, I am going to upload the key things about it. Like if burp does a change, like you can see a change earlier, this dashboard section was not present in burp 1 point something. When burp change it to 2 point, it change it to this. And whenever burp is released, burp release some new features, some cool things, and we should all, if we are doing bug bounty, we should be aware about all that things, so we can make our task more easier. So whenever burp will release that things, I will be uploading few videos of that. And believe me, there will be nothing that will be left in this course if you want to learn burp, because burp is your Swiss Army knife. If you learn to properly use burp, you are definitely going to get vulnerabilities. You can find vulnerabilities, you can get bugs, you will be get paid for it. Not only this, whoever is going to enroll today will also get my cloud computing videos for free. So if you have any question, use the WhatsApp number provided in the link below to directly fire your questions to me, and I will be happy to talk to you all. The price I have kept is 3000 because the course is dynamic. It will be keep on adding things, and also you will get support, priority support. I can't say that if you have any problem regarding installing configuration or use of anything, you can directly fire up a question and I will be try to solve it. So that's all. I think that's all for this video. Thank you very much for watching. If you like it, if you want to buy the course, ping me and ask me any questions if you have. If you like, do share. If you don't like, please dislike it and let me know why you don't like it. So thank you very much for watching the video. Good luck.